Hi everyone, Akin is here. Today we are going to install Java 8 and IntelliJ on our Windows machine. For this, I put 6 easy steps here to follow. First of all, let's check if we have Java already installed on our machine or not with running these 2 easy commands. To be able to do that, I will go to taskbar and search for command prompt, which is just CMD, and you should see this app. And click on this. When you click on it, it will give you a command prompt to run some commands. And I will do java space hyphen version. And when I hit enter, it's telling us that Java is not recognized. If you already see a Java version here, that means you already have Java installed on your machine. If you already have Java, then simply go to step 6 and download IntelliJ and continue from there. But if those does not have Java installed, we will follow the upcoming steps. So the step 2 is going to Oracle website and creating an account. So I will just copy this link, go to my Chrome, open a new tab, and then visit the website here. So when you visit this website, you will quickly see the View Accounts button right there. Click on it. There is 2 options. If you already have an account, you can sign in. But if you don't have an account, you can click on Create an Account. And it will take us to Create an Account page, which we need to provide all this information and then hit Create Account button. I will quickly do it. That's my email that I use for the tutorials. And I will provide a password which has 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, at least 1 number and a special character, and 8 characters long. Do not forget your password, please. We will use this to sign in and then download, install Java. So after providing my email and the password 2 times with the retyping, I need to provide more information. Feel free to give any information here. I will just provide Hectoris tag and then job title as engineer, work phone is a dummy work phone number here. You can provide your phone number as well. Company name, I will simply put ABC. My address, I will just put Miami and then the Miami. State, can be anything, but let me select Florida and zip code to be 12345. So after you fill out all these information, but especially your email address and the password is important, please do not forget. And they will send a verification to this email address that you need to go and verify your email address. After providing all this information, I will click on Create Account, and I should get an email and I should check my email address. So I will quickly go and check my email address. I should receive an email from Oracle, your Oracle account. I will click on this and quickly verify my account. Since I already have an account with them, they are not sending me a verification button here. But for you guys, for the first time, you will see verify your email and click on that button, so you will be done. So after doing this, I will go to the Oracle account one more time. You can copy and paste from the document, which I'm going to provide under the YouTube video right there. So I will go to the page one more time, and I am going to sign in this time. So View Accounts and then sign in with the account I just created. So my email address was this. As I said, do not forget and put also your password and then sign in. Once you sign in, I'm not going to save. Once you sign in, go ahead and get the new URL that I provided at step 3, which is going to take us to download page right away. I can navigate through the app as well, but what I will do is just provide the link I need, and this is going to take me to Java downloads page. And there are many versions, even including 19 and 17 released recently. But we are not interested in those. We are going to download Java 8 right there. So please scroll all the way down until you see Java 8 right there. And we will make sure that we download Java 8 for Windows machine. So I select the Windows. Now I have two installer displayed here. I will use 64 installer and just click on this exe file. Once you click on it, you will get these terms and conditions. You can click on it and read all the license agreement. I already did, and I will just check mark this and download the exe file. Well, so it has started. I double click and I got two exe files. It doesn't matter, just click when the download is completed. Click on this and click on open. And this open to this page. Do you want this app to make changes on your device? Select yes. And then you will see this. Just click on next. And we get all this, click on next. Installation is going to happen, hopefully fast. So we'll wait for a couple more seconds. As you guys can see, it's telling us where would you like to store it as a destination folder. It goes to our C, program files, Java, which is pretty good. I'm not going to change it, and I will say next. And now installation started. It will be pretty fast. It's not taking too much time for it. Okay, and finally it tells us that it is successfully installed Java Development Kit 8. So here just click on close. So that means we already successfully downloaded and installed Java 8. Now, before we check the installation, there is one more step that we need to follow. We need to set environment variables, which is Java home. So to do that, I will go to search bar again. I will click on it, and here I will search for edit the system environment variables. So when you put edit, it right away comes up. But if it does not, just continue and edit the system environment variables. So you should see this, and I click on it. It takes me to the system properties, and I will click on environment variables right here. And it should take us to this window, and I will do a couple changes here. First of all, under the system variables, I am going to click on new. And when I click on new, I will put this Java underscore home, and I need to get a value. But what should be value is this. I will click on this File Explorer, and then I will click on this PC. I will click on the C drive. I will go to Program Files, and then here I should see Java that I just installed. I will click on that as well. And finally, I will click on the JDK 1.8. When I click on JDK 1.8, so you will see this whole path. We need to copy and paste this path. I will just first click on this white space that all will be selected. I do Control C to copy, or you can right click and copy. Then go back to this path, and for the variable value, provide this by pasting it. So our variable name is Java underscore home. It should all be uppercase, and our path will be as variable value. And then click on OK. So we are not done yet. There is one more thing we need to do here. So after adding Java home here, you need to select this path. So click on it. When it is highlighted, click on edit. And here there are a few paths, but we need to add one more. So I will click on new, which is going to give me this. I will do percentage sign, and then I will put Java underscore home, and then another percentage sign on the both sides of Java home. Then I will put backslash, like as you guys can see in the previous paths as well, backslash, and then bin. So it should be percentage sign Java underscore home percentage sign backslash bin, and then here I will click on OK. Here I will click on OK, and here I will click on OK and close it all. I can close that one as well. Now the new step is to verify one more time if we install Java or not. So I will get another command prompt quickly. It is already there, but if you would like to search, put cmd and click on this. Let's see if we have Java now. So Java space hyphen version, hit enter. We should get this version. Yes, 1.8. If you see 1.8, these numbers could be a little bit different, updated, but we get 1.8. I also would like to run Java compiler, so which is Java C space hyphen version. Hit enter, and then we get Java version as well. So that means we successfully install Java on our Windows machine. So I can close this and go with the next step, which is downloading IntelliJ on our Windows. So for that, again, I will copy this URL. As I said, I will provide all these documents under the recording. You can easily copy and navigate. So I copied this. I'm going to get a new tab and then paste this right here. So it will take us to JetBrains official website, and you will see download button here and there. So let's just click on this. And here, please make sure that Windows is selected before you download anything. There is Ultimate and Community versions, two different versions. This is not free. It has only 30 days of trial. We will not get this, but we will get the Community Edition, which is completely free. So I will click on Download, and I will click on this to open, but just waiting for download to be completed. Now it is opening because it is done. Let's see, we should get again a pop-up saying, would you like this app to make changes on your machine? Waiting for it. Finally got it. Tap to make changes. Yes. And then we will get this page. Let me get this down. So next, we will click here, next. And then this page, we can stay here because it says, would you like to create a shortcut? I select this and next. And finally, install. And then installation will start. I will just pause video for a while. When this is done, we will continue. So our installation is completed, and we will just click on finish right here. So, and you see that there is a shortcut created on your desktop. Click on this, and it will bring us the initial page for the IntelliJ. If you guys see this as well, that means you successfully installed IntelliJ 2. We'll see you in the next video to create a new project and start coding.